Zenethia here, back with another chicken check-in. Today, we are going to talk about the life cycle of chickens. Just think back to when you were a little toddler, and then you became older, and then you'll become even more older and become a teen, and then you'll be an adult like your parents. So we're going to go over how chickens start to mature and what they look like and what their life cycle is. Our staff at the museum put together a wonderful presentation of the life cycle of a chicken. So where does it all start? It begins with the egg forming in the chicken, and only female chickens can produce and lay eggs. Those female chickens are called hens, and that's what we have here at the museum. We don't have any male chickens, which are called roosters. So next, the hen lays her egg, as you see here. After that, there is an incubation period. Can you all say incubation? So, what is incubation? Incubation is when the hen lays on her eggs to keep them warm, to keep away bacteria and other predators. So, after that period, it's time for the little chickling to hatch. As you see here, they break free from their egg and now they are a baby chicken, just like some of you all are still babies and toddlers. So, they improve into the young chicken. And next, they are an adult chicken. When an adult chicken phase happens, they develop more feathers and wings, as I've showed you all in the past. So, just like many of your grandparents, they become elderly chickens. And their last phase is when they lay to rest. So that is the end of their chicken cycle. Let's observe our hen. I wonder what she's doing. Sometimes they come in here to lay down. Other times they come in here to lay their eggs. If she's laying her eggs, she's doing a process of what's called incubation. So let's review one more time. The start of their chicken life starts with the egg formation within the hen, and then she lays the egg. After she lays the egg is the incubation period. That's when she keeps the eggs warm and away from any danger or harm. Next, that's when the chickling hatches, and they are now a young chicken. After that phase, they are an adult chicken, like many of your parents are right now. Then they are an elderly chicken, and then their cycle of a chicken ends. So this is the life cycle of a chicken. Thank you all for joining me today with another chicken check-in. Come back next week for another video and more information about chickens.